Welcome back to Yessaar Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to show you how to master custom shapes and illustrations in Adobe Illustrator CC 2024. Whether you're working on a logo, crafting an icon, or simply adding a distinctive flair to your designs, understanding how to create custom shapes is a game changer. So, let's jump in and unlock your creative potential. Today, we'll create a sleek pen illustration using Adobe Illustrator CC 2024. This step-by-step guide will walk you through designing a modern pen, perfect for your graphic projects. Let's begin by opening a new document in Illustrator. Head to File and select New or press Ctrl+N. Set your document size to fit your project needs and click Create. With your blank canvas ready, let's dive into the basics. From the left-hand toolbar, choose a basic shape tool. For this tutorial, we will start with the ellipse tool. Click once on the artboard and when prompted, enter a width of 1000 pixels and a height of 110 pixels. Next, change the fill color via the color panel or swatches. Then draw a rectangle. And to duplicate it, hold Alt while dragging the rectangle to your desired position. Create a straight line by holding Shift as you drag from top to bottom and positioning it as needed. Adjust the stroke weight from the control bar. Select all layers. Then choose the Shape Builder tool. You can use the shortcut key Shift+M. Holding Alt, click on the outside areas to subtract them. The Shape Builder tool is incredibly powerful in Illustrator, allowing you to combine, merge, or subtract shapes interactively. No need for the traditional Pathfinder panel. Now, select the line and delete it. Choose the Direct Selection tool or press A on your keyboard, hold Shift, and adjust the anchor points to round the corners manually. Next, select the Pen tool from the toolbar and craft the nib shape. Duplicate it by holding Alt while dragging. Then right-click and choose Transform. Reflect, select Horizontal and click OK. Join the two shapes and then in the Pathfinder panel, select Unite. Now with the two shapes merged, select the points and slightly round the corners. And decreasing the nib size. Next, create a small rectangle like this. and align it vertically using the control bar's vertical align center. Once again, use the Shape Builder tool, holding Alt, to refine the nib's inside and outside areas. Then, select the Ellipse tool and draw a perfect circle. Combine the layers using the Shape Builder tool, holding Alt to integrate the nib into the circle. Finally, select all layers and choose Vertical Align Center from the control bar. Adjust the nib color to your liking. Remember, you can always tweak the colors as needed. Now we are successfully created a beautiful pen illustration. Before you finish, save your work. Go to File, Save As, choose your desired location. Name your file. Select Adobe Illustrator.ai and click Save. In the Illustrator Options dialog box, adjust any preferences and click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial on creating pen illustrations in Adobe Illustrator helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Yessaar Tech for more design tips and tutorials. Share this video, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.